Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a data entry form in Excel. Make sure to follow all the steps that I'm going to show you guys in a couple of seconds. Let's just get into it. Here you guys can see I have opened an Excel blank sheet here. What you guys need to do is to provide here with a few data entry fields as I have done here. Now what you guys need to do is to select all of these at once and go to the Insert tab and click on Table. Now once you are here, make sure you select my table as headers option here and click OK. Once you click OK and you have successfully made a table that will hold all of your data entries. For the next step, you guys need to go to the Insert tab again and go to Customize the ribbon. Once you guys are here, you need to pay more attention now. Basically, we're going to add form option to the main menu. To do this, we first need to create a new tab. To create a new tab, just go here and click on here and you will see a new tab is created. Just go and rename it. Rename it as data entry. Once you have done it, make sure this new group is selected here. Then further, we need to go to the left sidebar here. Now further here, we will select commands not in the ribbon. Once you select it, scroll down. Here you will find form option. Just keep scrolling down and you will eventually find this form option here and click on add. Once you have added it, you have successfully created a form of a table. Just go here on the above tab. You will see a data entry tab here. Click on it and you will see form here. Click on form and now you can eventually provide all the data entries you want to provide here. Let me just show you a sample here quickly. Now as you guys can see here, I have given it some sample text and now here I will just click new. As you guys can see, all the 4 entries are added in it successfully. And yep, that's it for today. I hope the video was useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Take care. Bye bye.